That's the mini bulldozer of the city government, uh, on standby, ready to push the trash and garbage dumped in the area. Those are the dump site dwellers trying to recycle the garbage and trash. They're only getting cardboard boxes, plastic wares, and glass bottles, but they will not pick, or they will not gather the biodegradables like leaves, closer look for the leaves. There you go, leaves. Unsa inyong gikolekta na? Plastic ra og karton, no?
Plastic, lata.
Og lata. Plastic, lata, or tin cans, and empty bottles. This is the garbage of the city of Maasin, unsegregated trash. What the dwellers are utilizing as livelihood is only papers, cardboards, plastics, empty bottles. If we can only segregate this trash, the biodegradables, take a closer look to the unsegregated trash, it is still an opportunity for these dwellers to turn this raw material into money or another form of livelihood if they will just collect these leaves. There, the leaves. They're only looking for plastics, hard plastics, not that cellophane or polyethylene bags that will go to the landfill. There, that's still another source of raw material for our composting. There, our city government is trying to implement total segregation of garbage and trash in our household level last year in October, but the program was a failure because of it's hard to implement. They should be the one to implement it first here in this dumping area, but they are not also doing it. They will just be filling this landfill much faster if they will not utilize that one, the segregatable garbage or compostable trash. That one. What we are trying for the RGM project is to segregate this trash before dumping it in our landfills. You can see far there is a stockpile of leaves and twigs and other branches for our machine to shred, but still we cannot cope up with the milling because of limited workforce. We have only 2 as an experiment for this project. We hope to hire them, these people, hire them, give them the privilege to work for the government. Can we not hire them even if they are not qualified, even if they are only nursery level or elementary level. Some of them doesn't know how to write, or I don't know, but they can help the environment. They can help the environment. We are trying to introduce recycling of tires as what was originally planned for this site, but it seems it is not advisable for them because they need cash outright. They get it from the sale of collected collected recyclable trash directly to our junk shops, like the bottles, the plastics, the tin cans, but not the tires. There's no demand of who will buy it. Thank you.